Seeing the Bluetooth option grayed out on your Apple Watch, this usually happens because of software bugs, system restrictions, or temporary glitches. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the Bluetooth gray out issue on your Apple Watch. So let's get started. Solution 1. Restart Apple Watch. Press and hold the side button for 3 to 5 seconds. Power off slide will appear. Next, tap on the power icon from the top right corner. Slide the power icon from left to right. Now again, press and hold down the side button for 3 to 5 seconds. Apple logo will appear. Now press the side button to bring up the control center. Here you can see the airplane icon. Make sure to disable it, or if you see it is already disabled, then enable it for 10 seconds and then turn it back on. Solution 2. Reset your Apple Watch. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Reset. Tap Erase all content and settings. It will reset your Apple Watch settings. Solution 3. Check your software update. Open the watch home screen. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Tap Software Update. If there is a new update, then download and install the update. And this is how you can solve the Bluetooth gray out issue on your Apple Watch. Hope you find this helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Goodbye for today.